These days we keep on hearing words like IoT, digitization, augmented reality, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. Clearly, we are at the start of the fourth industrial revolution. They say, opportunity in the space is worth $10 trillion. When the opportunity is too big, why is the takeoff slow? Onboarding to Industry 4.0 is not that easy. One of the biggest challenges organizations face, when it comes to exploring new business models is interoperability. What is this interoperability challenge? To understand this, let's fast forward 10 years into the future. In this new world, you may no longer have a kitchen in your home. Your food may be prepared in large industrial kitchens and delivered to your home via driverless cars. Your personal drone may then go and pick it up and serve it for you. You may still have to do the last mile go. What more, this food is specially prepared just for you, catering to your taste buds and healthcare needs. As a consumer, you get to retain your choices in terms of the companies that operate these industrialized kitchens as well as these connected cars. But why do we think a solution to the interoperability challenge is around the corner? 1. There is a customer pull. People are used to smartphones and the just-in-time services. They expect the same from every aspect of their life. 2. Large industrial consortiums are coming together to find a solution to this problem. 3. The technology is matured enough for all this to happen. Then, what is slowing things down? 1. The infrastructure and the systems that we are using for delivering our food. Utilities and oil and gas have been developed over the last 100 years. In the last 30 years, these systems have been semi-automated to deliver the services that they are delivering today. These systems cannot be replaced in one day. 2. As we move forward, the IT and OT teams in these companies will have to work together a lot more, and at some point, the boundaries between them will merge. 3. We do not have the cross-functional engineers who can work in this merged IT-OT departments. Then what are the top 3 threats? 1. Security. 2. Security. And 3. Security. People are generally concerned about their privacy, confidentiality and safety. In a fully connected world, a rogue robot or hackers can wreak havoc. Finally, as always, humankind will find a solution to all these challenges and unlock the gates to the fourth industrial revolution, where technologies like AI, AR, and blockchain will deliver the full connected world experience.